Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tuan-tuan dan saudara, saya Siddiq bin Ahmad. My name is Muhammad Hariz bin ZAHRULLAIL and my message number is 01DT2F109. So today I will demonstrate for this practical exercise demonstration. We demonstrate the NTP output and syslog output. And also we have to explain the syslog output about the syslog output and on syslog server. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the into packet tracer. So for the first thing, we just configure and this router, which is R1 as an NTP server. So the reference log is just go through from the NTP server. So let's check even this has been configured as a NTP also server or not. So just show clock detail, and then you can see here time source is NTP, and then let's check for the rest, which is NTP client. Show clock detail. Alright, the time source is from NTP also. And then for this NTP client 2, which is up to the show NTP, the show for clock detail, and then the time source also is from NTP. So to see the other information, we have used show NTP status. So by right, the NTP status is synchronized by the from the statum level 5. And then let's check for the rest, which is NTP client, which is R3. We just show by using NTP show NTP status. So for the clock is synchronized and the stratum level is located in level 6, and that is a reference to IP address 10.10.2.1, which is this interface, because the R1 has been just configured as an NTP server. So let's go move to the NTP client 2, just show NTP status, and then as you can see here, the clock is synchronized and the system level is 6, and then it's referring to the NTP by use IP address 10.10.1.1. So this is interface. So for the next, we have to see for the show NTP association. So this is address that he preferred to be as a NTP server. And then for this R3, just show the NTP association. So this is a reference address. And then for this NTP client 2, which is R2, we just show NTP association. So the address 10.10.1.1 as a reference address from the NTP server. So that's all for the NTP server. Now let's see for the syslog. So for the syslog, we have to make sure the syslog server service is enabled for the syslog. As you can see here, the service is on, and then to make it service is started, you have to go through, enter the configuration terminal, and then you just exit. As you can see here, the information of the log record has been recorded. So to see the verification on the syslog server, you just see on this service syslog. As you can see here, there's no information. It might be a little delay. Same also as a R1. Just the type any in second. So as you can see, there's information. Alright, we just have to wait. Alright, we just have to wait for a minute. So as you can see here, 3 router has show the information of the log record. So as we can see the verification of the syslog service. As you can see here, the log has been recorded to the syslog server, including the time, log, and date. So this is from NTP server, and this is IP from NTP client. And then for the last one, just make sure it's work. So you can see here, and yes, this is from NTP client to router. So I think that's all for the demonstration of the syslog and the NTP. Thank you.